Now in order to add more clips into our media bin, just click on this plus icon, or you can just go to the files and then import and then click on media. It will work the same. Then select your media files. I will select these 3 files and click on open. Now all of this file will appear here in your media bin. Okay, now you can change it to the list view or icon view, or if you want to add more clips, just click on this plus icon. You can add more clips here. Now in order to drag this clip into our main timeline, just click on the clip and then drag it here in our main timeline and then leave it in any of the track. I will leave it in first track. Okay, now I can zoom in into my clip. For example, if I want to edit precisely, I will zoom in, or I can zoom out easily using this zoom in and zoom in scroll. Okay, other than that, I can change the height of my track. For example, if I want to increase the height, I will just drag it from here and drag it upward. I can increase our height, or I can delete our tracks. For example, these 2 tracks are empty, so I will just click right and then click on remove track. If you want to remove all the empty tracks, just click on remove all empty tracks, and if you want to remove the track which you have selected, just click on remove track. I will click on remove all empty tracks. And in order to create a new track, just right click here and click on insert track, and you can add a track above or below. I will click on above. You can see it's created a new track for us. I will delete it again. Okay, other than that, if I want to cut this area from this point to this point and then paste this area to somewhere else, what I'll do is I will put my playhead here and then I will drag this red box and put it where we want to cut out. Okay, like this. Now this will work as a cut in point and this will work as a cut out point. Okay, now what we will do is we will just click on this cut icon, or you can also use the Ctrl plus X. Okay, now this area is cut it from this clip. Now I can paste this to any point. For example, if I want to paste this clip here, I can just click on paste. It will paste this clip on top of this track. Okay, like this. Okay, now if you want to insert this clip between these 2 clips, what you'll do is first I will select this clip and then split this clip in half. Okay, now I will move this clip here and then drag this clip down and then insert it, and then I'll move this here again. You can see how easily we have inserted this clip between these 2 clips. Okay, other than that, if I want to copy this track, what I'll do is I'll just click on this track and then click on copy. Okay, here. Now I'll just put my playhead where I want to paste it, then click on paste. You can see how easily we have pasted this clip here. Other than that, if I want to undo this, what I'll do is I will just click on this undo. You can also use the Ctrl plus Z, and if you want to redo it, just click on this icon or use the shortcut keys Ctrl plus Y. Okay, it will work the same. Okay, after that, if you want to add a reminder for yourself, what you'll do is first I'll click here show or hide quiz or marker, and then what we'll do is I will put a marker here. Just click on your clip and it will add a marker here. Now you can write anything here. For example, I have to add a transition. Okay, now whenever I am going through this clip, it will add a reminder to me that I have to add a transition here. Okay, then I will remind myself and add a transition here. You can add as many markers as you want. For example, I will add another marker here and another one here. Now you can easily delete this marker. Just select a marker and then click on delete key. Okay, again I will click on this marker and then click on delete again for this one also. And you can also create a quizzes here. Just select quiz instead of marker and then add a quiz here. Okay, now this quizzes will not be visible if you are creating your clip for YouTube. Okay, keep that in mind. I'll select this and delete it. After that, you can easily add music to your track. For example, just drag this music and then put it on your track. You can see you can easily add it. After that, for example, if I have did lots of editing on this track, now I want to lock this track so that I cannot delete anything accidentally or do any edit stuff here accidentally. What I'll do is I'll just click on this lock icon. Now this track is locked. I cannot edit or delete any things from this track. Okay, and if you want to disable this track, just click on this disable icon. Now this track is not visible here and it is disabled. Okay, you can disable or lock any of the track which you want. Okay, like this. After that, you can resize or crop your clip here. For example, if I go to this crop and I select my clip and then drag it from corner or any section like this, I can crop it from any section like this. And if I want to resize my clip, I'll click on Alt and then I will drag it here. Okay, like this. Now I can add another clip here and another one here. For example, if I add another media file here like this, and again I'll select this clip here and then click on Alt and then drag it like this and move it here. You can see you can make it smaller and add more clips to one video. Okay, like this. And after that, you can move your preview window like this, or if you want to zoom in, just click on it and click on 300%. You can zoom in into it and move it like this. And if you want to fit in, just click on fit. It will fit here. Okay,